Hello children, welcome back to our EVS class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Be safe in the home and I hope you are doing the work also. Writing CW, reading the work. Yes, are you all doing the work in the home? Yes, I hope you all are doing good. Continue your studies. Don't like in home, if you are there in home means you should not be like, ma'am will not check, ma'am will not see. You should not think that. Okay, you should keep on studying. If you study means it's good for you. Yes, no? We all are teaching here and parents are giving you mobile. All the things we are giving you for you to study. Okay, use it in a better way, study good. Okay, now in this video we are starting with the fifth lesson, that is sources of food. Okay, this lesson comes under the theme third, our needs. Okay, that is a main thing, it is food. So the fifth lesson is sources of food. Okay, now why do we eat food? Yes, food is very important for us, no? By eating food, we'll get energy, we'll get nutrients. We cannot live without food, yes, no? With the water, we need food. Yes, food is very important. That gives us nutrients, minerals, and the energy we get. Yes, no? So, in this lesson, we are going to study the sources of food. From where we are getting. What do you mean by sources? Sources means the main thing from where we are getting the food. Means it is the main thing, not the source. Main thing from where we are getting the food. So, from where we will get the food? Yes, it is from plants and from animals. From plants, we'll get some seeds like cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, and animals. And from animals also, we'll get milk, meat, and eggs. We'll get from the animals. Now, in your textbook, if you are not open the textbook, open the textbook and keep. Okay, just see the textbook. Okay, getting started there. Some food items are shown below. Okay, write P under those that we get from plants and A under those we get from animals. There they have given some food items. You have to see that picture and you have to identify from which we get that food, whether from the animals or from the plants. Now, first one is milk bottle is there. That we get it from the plant or the animal? Yes, milk we get it from the animal. So, in the box you write A. Okay. And second one, see some grains are there. Okay. That we get it from animals or plants? Yes, we get it from plants. Right? P there. And the third one, grapes. Grapes. We get it from animals or plants? Yes, we get it from plants. And the last one we have is eggs. Eggs, we get it from animals. Oh, you may think, ma'am, eggs will get it from birds also. Yes, all the things we together we call it as animals. So eggs we get it from animals. Now let us see, we eat different kind of food. Food is needed for our growth and it gives us energy to work. It keeps us healthy as well. We get all our food from plants and animals. See, we are getting all our food from plants and animals. By eating the food, we get energy. Yes, no? If you didn't eat food, you feel weak. Yes, you will be not having energy. You cannot move around. So, food is very important. It gives us energy and we eat varieties of food that gives us nutrients and gives us good health. Yes, no? We eat different types of food. Yes, fruits, vegetables, food grains like from the grains we'll make chapatis, rotis. So we eat many varieties of food. So in this lesson we are going to study the which food we are getting from the plants and which food we are getting from the animal, and the in the parts of our India, how what type of food the other people are eating, we'll see in this lesson. Okay, now we'll see the food grains. What are food grains? Food grains make up our main food. Cereals such as rice, wheat and maize, and pulses such as dal, peanuts, beans, Bengal gram and rajma are seeds of plants. Cereals are used to make rotis, pancakes and bread. See, there are some food grains. Food grains means the seeds of a plant. We use it as some as cereals and some as pulses. These are the main food. What we eat, no? These are the main food like rotis, chapatis. These are the main things, and it gives lot of energy. So you can see the picture there. First one is maize and arhar dal and rajma. So these are the cereals and the pulses we use as a main food. And told you that these cereals and pulses are the seeds of the plant. So we are eating many parts of the plant. See, like palak, coriander, these are the leaves of the plants. Yes, and beetroot, carrot, radish, these are the roots of the plant. And onion, potato. These potato is the stem of the plant. Like that, we eat different parts of the plant. Okay, now we'll see the next page. Practice time is there. Okay, fill in the blanks to complete the table below. Fill in the blanks to complete the table below. Okay, there are three parts: cereals, pulses and oil seeds, and they have given a blanks there. So we have to identify which pulses or which cereal or which oil seed it is. Okay, let us see. First one, they have given maize. Okay, second one, R they have given, it is a blank. C is there. Now identify what is that. What is that? Rice. R-I-C-E. Rice. And the second one, third one, they got here wheat. In the pulses section, pulses, what is it? It's a peanuts. P-E-A-N-U-T. Peanut. Second one, it's a oat. Spelling O-A-T-S. Oats. And third one they have given beans. Oil seeds. Oil seeds. It is, first one is, try to identify what is that. Mustard. M-U-S-T-A-R-D. Mustard. Okay. And the next one, sesame. And next one, you can easily identify that. What is that? It is sunflower. And mustard, sesame and sunflower are the oil seeds. From these seeds, they will remove the oil. Okay, these are the oil seeds. From sunflower and sesame and mustard, we get the oil. And pulses, peanuts, oats and beans. Cereals, maize, rice and wheat. I hope you all have written correctly. Yes. Now, we'll see the next part. From the plants only, we'll get vegetables and fruits also. Yes. What is your favorite vegetable? I hope you are not eating vegetables. Okay, what's your favorite fruit? Yes, I think you may have favorite fruits, but many will not be having a favorite vegetable because you hate to eat vegetables, right? Yes, you should eat vegetables. Let me see there. Vegetables and fruits provide us essential vitamins and minerals. They also contain roughage. Roughage means it is a edible fiber. It is a fiber which is edible, which we can eat. That helps us to digest the food. We get vegetables from almost all parts of our plants. Before seeing those vegetables, I will tell you one story. Okay, are you all interested to listen story? Yes. Okay. There was a old man. Okay, old man, and there is one king. And king was very famous, and he was like very close to the persons in his village. Then what happens, kings likes a garden and many plants. He is having a big garden around his palace, so he loves to go for a walk in a garden every day. So one day what happened? A old man is old means he'll be a very weak one. Yes, and he is very hungry and he is very poor one. That old man is very old and he's poor and he was hungry because he didn't eat anything from the last 3 days. So what he's doing? He's searching for food. He's asking for food everyone. So what happens? He's coming in the garden now. In the king's garden, he is coming. Okay, now that old man is coming in the garden slowly, and he will see the mango in a mango tree. Okay, then he'll think, oh, I'm feeling very weak, I'm feeling very nervous, I have to eat something now, so what shall I do? Then he saw the mango, no, so he wanted to take that mango and eat and fulfill his hungriness. So what he'll do, he'll take one stone and he'll try to take that mango. He'll throw the stone, and he is doing that. He's trying to get that mango. Now what's happening from that side? The king is coming in a garden for a walk. So king means king will not be alone, he'll be having guards. Yes, no, here they are coming in the garden for a walk. Now what happens? This side, the old man is throwing stone and he's trying to get that mango. Now what happens? Suddenly the king is also coming. He is also throwing the stone. So that stone will go and fall. It get hurt to the king. So all guards will be there. No, they are like, oh, who is that? Who threw the stone? They are started searching. Who is that? So what happens? They started searching. That old man is sitting there near the that down the mango tree. Oh, he's seeing what they're doing now. Oh, yo, what I did. So this is so bad. This shouldn't have happened. I was trying to take the mango. I was hungry, so I am taking. Otherwise, I would have not taken. What this happened? The old man is very worried now. Now what happens? So they started searching who threw the stone. Now what happens? They are standing, an old man slowly comes to near the king, and he'll say, sorry my lord, I only threw the stone because I was trying to take the mango, but by mistakenly it hurt you because I'm hungry, I didn't eat anything from last 2 days, I'm very hungry, and I'm very old too. I cannot go to work also. So I was trying to take that mango by mistakenly. It hurt you. So I'm extremely sorry. Like that, the old man is asking sorry to the king. But the king, what he'll do? Oh, it's okay. Okay. King is taking in a good way. He is not punishing him. He's taking him and king will take the old man to the palace and he'll give him a food, nice food, and he'll give some fruits and he will send him. So the old man will go to home. And what is the moral of the story is, can you say what is the moral of the story? Yes, you should help to others. Huh? And you should plant more trees so that the environment around your home or in your neighborhood, it will be good. And the hungriness, the importance of food also. See, if you don't have anything to eat, you'll feel weak and somebody should give you the food. The thing is, we are eating because we are earning. So we should take care of the things what we have now. The work what we do, we should do in a proper way. Okay, so you should help your parents also so that they are working for your family. They are working, so they are earning. From that, you are getting the food. So the thing is, you should help your parents, you should listen to your parents, and you should plant trees. See, from the plants only we are getting the foods. Yes, no, fruits and vegetables, that all we are getting from the plants only. Now, let us see the vegetable and fruits part now. Come to the lesson. Vegetables and fruits provide us essential vitamins and minerals. See, what happens if you are not well, you'll go to doctor, and what doctor will do? He'll check, he'll give medicines and all. And sometimes what happens, your mother or your father will be complaining, doctor, he will not eat anything or she will not eat anything, so what to do? So only she is becoming like that. The parents will be complaining to the doctor. So doctor, what he'll do, he'll give tonic, no, some tonics, some syrups he'll give. Tonic means it is not a medicine. For your some vitamins, some minerals will be there in that. If you eat that, you will fulfill the what all nutrients you want to your body. You will not eat, no, so only they will give tonics. So doctor will give the tonics. What will be there in the tonics? It is the vegetable and the fruits. What minerals will be there? No, that only it will be there in the tonics. So if you eat fruits and vegetables, no need to take tonics. So you should eat fruits and vegetables. Let us see here. Now, carrot, beetroot, radish, sweet potato, and turnip are roots of the plants. See, some vegetables are the roots of the plant. You can see carrot, beetroot, radish, and sweet potato, turnip are the roots of the plant. These are the roots. Okay. Now, onion, potato, garlic, asparagus and the sugar cane are the stem. You can see there. Onion, garlic, sugar cane, potatoes are the stem of the plant. See, carrot, beetroot are the roots and these are the stems. Now, green leafy vegetables such as cabbage, coriander, lettuce, spinach, mint and curry leaves are leaves of plants. You can see that cabbage is also a leaf of a plant that we like how we eat curry leaves and coriander. No, cabbage we do bhaji and we eat. Yes, green leafy vegetables. These are the leaves of the plants. So roots, stem and leaves we are eating from the plant. Plant is giving us food. Now let us see. Cauliflower and broccoli are the flower of the plants. See, these two are the flowers of a plant. See, rose, lilies, that we won't eat. Cauliflower and broccoli are the flowers of the plants that we eat. Okay, you can see here. These are the roots, these are the stems, and these are the leaves, and these are the flowers. And next, apple, banana, mango, and grapes are the fruits. Apple, mango, banana, grapes, and watermelon, etc. There are many fruits are fruits of the plant. So we are eating the parts of the plant like roots, stems, then leaves, flowers and fruits of the plant. Totally we are covering all the parts of the plant. We can say, so only we say plant is the main source of the food. So only children, vegetables and fruits are very important. Those are the main things from which we get the more vitamins and the minerals. So from now onwards, you should start eating vegetables and fruits. If you don't don't eat junk foods. You can eat, but once a while you should eat that. Okay, but fruits and vegetables, it should be there in a one day. You should eat at least one or two vegetables or the fruits. Okay, while in the lunch or in the dinner or in the snacks time, you should eat fruits and vegetables. So vegetables and fruits provides us essential vitamins and minerals. Okay, we'll see here. I'll read. See, get the vegetables and fruits names there. Carrot, beetroot, radish, sweet potato, and turnip are the roots of a plant. Onion, potato, garlic, asparagus, and sugar cane are the stem of the plants. And cabbage, mint, coriander, spinach, these green leafy vegetables such as cabbage is and curry leaves are the leaves of the plants. And cauliflower and broccoli are the flower of the plants. Apple, banana, mango, grapes, these are the fruits of the plant. So we covered this full plant as our food. Now we'll see oil, cooking oil. Cooking oil comes from plant seeds such as mustard, coconut, sunflower and almond. See, these are the oils we use for cooking. And if you ask your mother, the cooking starts from the oil. First only they'll put oil and they'll start cooking. So these are the cooking seeds, and you can see mustard, sesame, sunflower and coconut. And in some regions, in some places, they will use coconut oil as a cooking oil. And we here use these sunflower oils. Yes, and these are the cooking oils. What? Mustard, coconut, sunflower, almond. These are the cooking oils. And spices, spices. These are the flavors. Spices means when you go to hotel to eat, you'll say no spicy. Make it bit spicy because spices give us a flavor. Yes. So and which ice cream flavor do you like the most? Which ice cream flavor do you like the most? Yes, I like vanilla and chocolate. I think you have your many flavors, I think. Okay. And vanilla is also a spice. Is also a spice. We will say no vanilla ice cream. That is also a spice. We'll see what is spice. Spices add flavor to our food. Some common spices are pepper, cardamom, chili, clove, cumin and fennel. These are the spices and chilies also. See, pepper, cardamoms, chilies and cloves. You can see the pictures there. Yes, you can see the picture also. These are the spices, they will give the flavor. Flavor means it will be taste also, and it will be having a good smell. That is the spices. Okay, spices gives us flavor. It adds a flavor. When you cook palav, there they'll put masala, no, it will give a nice good smell. Yes, no, that is a flavor we can say. So spices add flavor to our food. And you can see there one girl is eating ice cream. Do you know that vanilla is also a spice? This means that even your ice cream has a spice in it. So ice cream, vanilla ice cream is also a spice. Now in this lesson, means in this video, we studied the main sources of food, from the food what we get, the important of food. If we eat food, we get energy and we get the needed minerals and nutrients. So if we don't eat, we cannot move, so it gives us energy. And we saw the main sources of food, that is plants and animals. Plants, we saw many things: cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables. So we are eating the many parts of the plants. And animals we'll see in the next video. But now cereals, maize, rice, wheat; pulses, peanuts, oats, beans; oil seeds, mustard, sesame, sunflower, coconut, almond. Okay, so in this video we covered these all things, and then in the next video we'll study food from the animals, and foods in different regions, foods in different places. Okay. Okay children, now what is your homework is, open page number 41. Page number 41. Okay, there they have given how to do vegetable cheese sandwich. Okay, try it. Other than eating burger, pizza outside, you make it in a home. So open page number 41. So make an elder to cut tomato and cucumber slices for you. So what all you'll need, it is there. Then the steps they have given. So prepare a sandwich with the help of an elder one. Then eat and enjoy. That is your homework. You should do it and you should eat it. Okay. You should eat more vegetables and fruits. That is your homework. And you should write 10 vegetables, 10 fruits, and cereals and pulses. Okay, that is your homework. You should write 10 names of fruits, vegetables, cereals, and pulses in HW book. Okay, this is your homework. What you should write? Write 10 names of fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. Okay, that is your homework. You will be writing in a HW work. Okay, I hope you'll do the work and you'll do the sandwich also. Okay, see you soon. Have a good day. Thank you.